Welcome to qnawire.
So first of all, in this problem, you need to see the sum table when you roll two dice. What are all the different sums? There's 36 sums when you roll two dice. The doubles ones are the ones highlighted here on the table: 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, etc. There are 6 of those. So there's 6 chances you're going to get doubles out of 36. So I made a little probability distribution over here where this is the earnings, $5 or nothing. You win $5 or you don't. The chance you're going to win $5 is 6 out of 36, which is 1/6. And then the chance that you're not going to win anything is 5/6, then the complement of that, or 30 out of 36. To find the expected value, you just times the table. So you're going to go $5 times that probability, 1/6, plus $0 times that probability, which is 5/6, which is 0, but I'll make it easy for us. So the expected value here is 5/6. It's going to be 0 there. 5 times 1/6 is 5/6. If you want to translate into money, the expected value is about 83 cents. That's what 5/6 comes out to. So the expected value, when you play this over and over, you're going to win about 83 cents every time you play. So that's what you should charge. For a game to be fair, you want the expected value to equal what you pay for the game. So 83 cents is what you should expect to pay to play this game in order for it to be fair.